Joy. So today for breakfast, I'm gonna have some Quaker oats.
Everything got harder now, 'cause they're all in fear of you, knowing what they're harboring, knowing what they'll do. Come out wherever.
Alright you guys, so it's 9:42. I'm gonna eat my oatmeal and then I'm gonna get ready for the day. Alright you guys, I just finished breakfast. I was watching Peter Mon, so it took me a little bit. I just took a shower. It's Monday. It's probably, I believe it's almost 11 a.m. And I'm going to blow dry my hair. Actually, blow brush it, I guess.
The red one, blow dryer, hair one.
I need to clean the floor in the bathroom because it feels really like, not sticky, but real oily. And I don't want to mop it because I don't want the dirt to get into the grout, like if you just mop the dirt into the grout. So I'm just going to wipe each towel, but first I'm going to vacuum. So let me grab my vacuum. I just remember Mrs. Doubtfire, the scene where she's vacuuming in the song. The song, I thought it said do it like a lady, like vacuum, like do it like a lady, but it's
Dude, looks like a lady.
like, yeah. So, yeah, I didn't learn that until like 25, so pretty sad, but I love that song, so here we go. It's only 12:23. Okay, gotta hydrate after that. Alright you guys, so I guess I'm just gonna clean up a bit. I don't have that many dishes to do. these seat covers from Amazon. Oh my gosh, they are so awesome. Comes with like a little, like it's a clear, I mean this is supposed to be tucked in to make it look nicer, but cat jumps up here and stuff. Anyways, there we go. Okay. Just looks so like nice to cover expensive furniture, especially for my cat. She threw up on here one time, so I got these covers and I love them. I have them on all the chairs, and they were cheap. It comes with 4 for, I believe it was 25 bucks. So not bad. I love it. All right, you guys, so now I'm gonna vacuum my couch. If you don't have a Dyson vacuum, you should look into getting one. I got this on sale. It's the V10, and I got it for $150 off. And also, we didn't pay full price, like all at once. We did the Affirm program where you can do payments, and it's worth it. It has a little attachment. It looks exactly like the floor attachment that it comes with, but this is a mini version, and I only use it for the couch. So it's amazing, especially if you have a cat. My dog doesn't get on the couch. But other than that, let's vacuum the couch. Guys, so it is now 1 o'clock. I'm going to take a break, hydrate, eat a little snack, and then we'll see where the day brings us. But I did finish the couch and it looks awesome. I love that vacuum, guys. You should really look into a Dyson. Best vacuum I've ever bought in my entire life, even though the only vacuums I've ever bought was from Walmart, the cheapest one. So thank you. Now I need to take, if you have pets and plants, like they don't mix, and the pet hairs land on the plants and the dust, and the plants need to breathe, so I need to take them out and rinse them. But I can't leave them in the sun because this is Texas and they get a little heat stress. So you have to do this quick, but I'm going to keep them on the porch, so out of the sun, spray them down, shake them, and get the dust off, and then I'll bring them back inside.
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking youth. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk down like who you, yeah. There's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, devil's speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you with infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gon' be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gon' be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go, I just wanna know,
Also, I have this little pearl plant. I hope it's doing good. Let me water that. Excuse the mess.